is a great outline for a cat documentary. Here are some suggestions to enhance it and make it even more compelling. Enhancements. 1. Visuals and storytelling. Emphasize the visual aspect. Use high-quality footage of diverse cat breeds, wild felines, and historical artifacts. Incorporate storytelling elements. Follow specific cats and their stories to illustrate the points made in the narration. Show slow-motion footage of cats' agility and hunting skills to highlight their incredible physical abilities. Include animated sequences to depict the evolutionary journey and the spread of cats across the globe. 2. Scientific insights. Delve deeper into the science of feline senses. Explain the physiology behind their exceptional night vision, hearing, and sense of smell. Discuss the genetics of cat breeds and how selective breeding has influenced their traits. Include expert interviews with veterinarians, feline behaviorists, and historians. Explain the science behind purring and the theorized healing properties of the frequency. Explain the science behind why cats need. 3. Cultural exploration. Expand on the cultural significance of cats in different regions. Explore the symbolism of cats in art, literature, and folklore. Showcase diverse cultural practices related to cats, such as cat cafes in Japan or cat sanctuaries in various countries. Address the misconceptions and superstitions surrounding cats, particularly black cats, and promote understanding and empathy. 4. Modern cat care. Provide practical information on responsible cat ownership, including nutrition, healthcare, and behavior management. Discuss the challenges faced by feral cat populations and the efforts being made to control them through trap-neuter-return (TNR) programs. Explore the role of cats in therapy and emotional support. 5. Specific segments. Wild ancestors. Show the evolution from wild felines to domestic cats, focusing on the African wildcat. The language of cats. Detail the nuances of feline communication, including vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Hunter's instincts. Highlight their predatory skills through slow-motion footage and expert analysis. The bond. Explore the complex relationship between cats and humans, showcase the diversity of cat breeds and their cultural significance across different countries. The future of felines. Address conservation efforts for wildcats and the example script snippet. Visual. Slow-motion footage of a cat leaping and catching a toy. Narrator. Cats are masters of stealth and agility. Their keen senses and lightning-fast reflexes are remnants of their wild ancestors. Their eyes, with their elliptical pupils, allow them